the first snow. Today, December 6th. I see! Whoa! Oh!
Are you alright? Sorry about that. We went too fast. We should have zagged.
Oh, honey.
Okay, you want to go again? We won't crash this time, okay, Tiger?
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Sorry about that.
Jeez.
Yeah.
You guys, anyway, we didn't do your advent calendar yet. Or tear your ring off your Christmas. What's that thing called? I mean, I know I did it when I was a kid.
Christmas chain.
The Christmas chain, yeah.
Christmas.
The paper chain to rip off one each day, each morning. Haven't done that yet. Everything got cleaned up. We got the last of our squash. And here's the garden all flattened. Now, our mums, all of a sudden they were blooming. I guess they're autumn mums. But, there was loads of them. And then our onions. We ended up never doing our onions that much. We did some, but we were going to do potato onion soup and didn't get to it. Now they're frozen. Ah, these beautiful green shoots.
Yeah, they frozen solid?
No, these are nice. I don't know, maybe it'll still be okay.
I'm sure it is.
How is it, honey? Ow, my hand.
Papa has to take a break, hon. Let my heart slow down for a few minutes.
Yes,
I want to have a heart attack.
exactly. Wow. It's starting to snow again.
Winded.
Time to snow again.
It's time to snow again. Here, let's not get in there, honey. It's just mud right now. There's only probably, I don't know, an inch and a half.
There's just a little bit mud.
I'd say just an inch, actually.
Huh?
It's just
An inch. I'm in my babushka. My face is frozen. Honey, I didn't want you to get up in there. It's muddy.
No, it's all muddy and stuff. We don't want to
Get out of there.
Yeah, come on. Go climb on the grass if you want.
In the grass. Come on.
Okay, well, that'd be fine. But not in here, huh? It's too dirty.
I mean, your boots. They're just solid ice. And here, hon, over here. Wow, it's so pretty. It feels so neat walking in the... It's so soft. It's like a carpet. I got my Santas on. Ho, ho, ho. Yay. Oh, my hand's freezing. I need to stop.